All right, so if you could hear stuff going on in the background, it's because it is the July 4th weekend here, and I just became inspired to come out here to share some spiritual lessons about fireworks, right? Fireworks. We got somebody, there we go. We got something in the background there. Whoa. Okay, I don't know if you saw that. There are two spiritual lessons that I want to talk about regarding fireworks. One is why you're not awakening, because of the fireworks, the distractions of life. Externally, so just literal fireworks, there's nothing. This is the thing about doing impromptu, maybe we'll see that. There we go. This is the thing about doing impromptu video shoots, is that you know, I don't, this isn't planned, is the distractions of life, okay? And then the distractions here, maybe I got another one. No, that fizzled out. The distractions externally and internally, okay? So that's one of the spiritual lessons, and also the spiritual lessons of that awakening. I should get a better view of this. We got something in the background. There we go. I don't know. Is the a lot of people have this conception of awakening as that there has to be some type of fireworks. There has to be this, I'm just gonna start walking. That's what I feel called to do. That, I think I mentioned this in another video, but that maybe it was Paul or Saul going to the road to Damascus, and he had lightning strike him or something like that, or Constantine. There we go. Oh, whoa, there we go. Whoa. Okay. So there. There, I think you can see that. There you are. Wow. There you go. And so those are the two things, is that the fireworks as a distraction for your awakening, and also the belief that awakening is gonna somehow be this fireworks display, something that is going to jolt you. I mean, there is somewhat of a jolt. But it's not fireworks, because I'm looking at the already discarded. I guess people have been It's already discarded. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know if you can see that. Whoa, whoa, my camera did the old, so I'm just gonna walk around here. So, distractions. There you go. Okay, so you just saw some distractions. Now, we go through our day from waking up in the morning, right? And what happens? Distractions. We have to go on social media. We have to, do this and that. And I'm not saying that the practical aspects of something else went in the air. The practical aspects of life isn't important. Ooh, you know what? Actually, I'm in a little firefly. I don't know if you can see any fire. There's some fireflies around me. Whoa! I think you saw that. It's actually some fireflies. So actually, fireflies are, in a way, symbolic of also distractions. So distractions. So Noah, why aren't I awakening? Well, because of that. Okay? That's why you're not awakening. Is because your mind is, and your energy field is constantly seeking out fireworks or being lured by fireworks, right? It's like, you get on the internet and, oh, there's a news thing. This happened in the Capitol. This thing happened with the pandemic. This thing happened with, the economy. This thing happened in sports, and I'm a big sports fan. So, I'll admit that, I get. Sometimes I have to be like, okay, enough of this. So, right. The horn, like, ah. So, it's almost as if you think about it, the egoic consciousness is actually geared here. I heard some. Okay, those were duds. It's almost like egoic consciousness is geared towards distracting us from our true self. Okay? I know I'm in the dark, but you could hear me and you could see my silhouettes or whatever. So yeah, there's some fireflies out here. It's very beautiful. I hope I'm far enough from these guys. I hope there's not a stray Can you see any fireflies? I hope there's not a stray firework that goes off. Wowee! It's like when I was doing a thunderstorm walking meditation, and it's like lightning hit me, boom. That's a quick YouTube video, so you can see more sparklers or whatever in the background. All right, so distractions, fireworks. It's almost like what I was saying before, egoic consciousness, creates these veils. And it's almost like as civilization has advanced too, and technology, especially over the last 100 years. I mean, we are lost. We are embedded in being asleep. It's almost like the ego unconsciously devises things to keep us from knowing our true self. Okay? And those fireworks, maybe you could see it. I don't know, my finger. I don't know if you can see it, but you could see something. And it's interesting because fireflies themselves are very beautiful and peaceful. I don't know, maybe you could see, I saw some fireflies in that direction. Maybe you could see on the big screen, if it goes up, you could see a couple of them lighting up. But it's like attention. It's like, give me attention. Give this, and it's like your, the mind and your energy field loves distractions. Why do you think, let's see, technology from, I don't know, 50 years ago, blah, 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 TV, 50, 60 years ago, we just had TV, and there, you see we got music too, right? It's like, we can't go anywhere without having music. And I love music, and I'm not saying music's bad, but I'm just saying that these people driving a motorcycle, listening to music, and that's fine, but I'm just saying that there is this almost addiction that we have against silence. We have this addiction to keep the mind noisy, right? Silence is scary to a lot of people. I mean, I don't know. I just had this aha moment. If you think about it, what's some of the most terrifying aspects of a horror film? There you go. Right? Oh, this is nice. There's something over there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try and showcase the fireworks just for fun, because it is dazzling and it's nice, and I'm not saying it's wrong per se. I'm just saying that that we're addicted to fireworks in our lives, and not fireworks literally, which in a way we are, but the fireworks of the drama, the it's one thing to another thing to another, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I want to go back to what I was saying about, what was I saying? About, we're almost addicted to it, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Well, that's the thing about these free-flowing things, is that sometimes I forget what I was talking about, and that's okay. It'll come back, or if it doesn't, it won't come back. Wow, there you go. Whoa. Whoa. All right. So you get the point. Whoa, whoa. And it's not just visually, it's also like noise, like literal noise, right? So, whoa, speaking of noise. Yeah, okay, so I think I was talking about music. Yes, okay. See, that's what happens. You gotta let go and it'll come back. But music, and it's like wherever we go get in the car, we need to put on music, you know, going to the gym, you know, people listening to music while they work out, and it's almost like we, I don't want to say we hate silence, but we're uncomfortable with it, right? And the now it's come back. The movie theater, okay? And what's one of the scariest parts of a movie, right? And the scariest part of a movie is the silence and the darkness, the unknown, okay? I'll just use that. The silence, darkness, unknown. And of course there's like anticipation because we're, you know, the way the story set it up is that there's somebody evil in the house or in the woods, you know, so the audience is set up by that. But I really think that the egoic consciousness is really scared of silence, of darkness. And I don't mean darkness in a bad way. I mean darkness in a sense of a void, of a sense of the eternal oneness of your true eternal self. Nothingness. How about that? Okay, darkness actually equals no thing, nothingness, which is your true self, right? All right. So I'm just gonna, so think about your life and think about all of the fireworks going on, and think about all the times that you are compelled to look at those fireworks, compelled to give your attention to those fireworks, okay? Social media, entertainment, films, TV, the news, right? Gossip. You know, what is this person doing? What's this person doing? Ooh, you know, and that sort of reinforces your egoic consciousness. Okay? So fireworks. And it's not just the fireworks on the outside, on the external level, right? So we got a little light here so you can see me. It's the fireworks on the inside, right? On the inside, which could be a little, almost more potent, right? Is the, and not just the mind, but the body too, the pain bodies, right? The pain bodies, right? I'm just touching this because it's like when the pain bodies hit, I mean, I remember just feeling some pain bodies, and I mean, my body would shake. It was excruciating. Okay. And the mind is noisy. The mind is, you know, I got to do this, I got to do that. You know, in fact, just even recently, I woke up and I was just like, oh, I should be doing this. I shouldn't be doing, you know, I should be, I should be meditating less. I should be doing less spiritual things and doing more practical things, right? And the mind is just, it's this there's a lot of fireworks in the mind, right? A lot of fireworks. So if you think that you're frustrated with your awakening process, or you're frustrated because you're a seeker and you haven't had an awakening, it's because you're, well, there's no fireworks around here right now, maybe in the background, but it's because you are still distracted by fireworks. Okay? You could hear them in the background. And meditation is a, oh, something right behind me. So meditation is a great way to, I'm gonna block the light with my head. You see, that's one of the reasons that meditation is very important, and that a lot of people, I don't see the practical use of meditation, and, you know, I'm just sitting and I got all these things to do and blah, 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 blah. And actually meditation helps to become the observer of fireworks. And when I say observer, it's not like, you know, we go to see fireworks. I mean, I remember as a kid, and even as an adult, you know, seeing some fireworks and being like, ooh, you know, you do the whole, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, right? And in a way, that's what we do with life, but it's actually worse. It's more like it's ooh, ah, ooh, ah. You know, we get because the ego likes enemies, and especially in our country, in this moment. I mean, our country has always been divided in one way or another. It's let's just be honest. But it just, you know, we're living right now, and it's ego consciousness is creating a lot of enemies, you know. So creating enemies, that's a firework. This political party, these people over here, you know, this ideology, this blah, 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 enemies, those are fireworks, okay? You know, killing people with words are fireworks. Gossip is fireworks. So all these things are, you know, and also, you know, even spiritual things can be fireworks. Even stuff like law of attraction. I need to get this, blah, 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 blah. I need to intend this, blah, 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 blah. That's a firework too. It could be. So awareness, these are fireworks. So you could play, and it's like, okay, I'm kind of here just playing with the fireworks. Okay, it's kind of cool. So lesson number 1 is, So lesson number 1 is become aware of the fireworks in your life. Become aware, because everything that's happening, even these fireworks, happens in awareness. Okay? And awareness is not oohing and ahhing, it's just allowing. Okay? We could do a ceremony out here, and I could buy $100,000 worth of fireworks. And there's a train going on in the background. You could hear that. So, and I could have a ceremony and say, oh, dear awareness, source energy, oneness. There's some more. I'm putting this fireworks display on for you, the Almighty, blah, 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 blah. And, the source is like, okay, whatever. It's just happening, There's no, it's sort of weird, but there's no, it's like you can't manipulate source, but source is love. You can't, and believe me, I've tried to manipulate, or just through prayer or whatever. Or if I do this, this will happen. And, source is just like, we're just doing the thing, right? We're just doing the dance. And it's just allowing. It allows for human egos to get caught up in the dream. You see? Oh, there's a little lull going on right now. Yeah, so it's the dream. So the fireworks keeps you in the dream. Okay. All these distractions keep you asleep in the dream. And before my awakening, and even after my awakening, for years, I would obviously slip in and out and be ooh, shiny new object, ooh, fireworks, ooh, blah 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 blah. So and then going back to meditation, that's why meditation is very important, because I don't know, for me, there were instances, there's some stuff going on in the background, I don't know if you can see them, but especially when I started meditating, it seemed like my mind was a huge fireworks display, like blah 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 blah, pew pew pew, and I'm just sitting here and I'm like boo boo. it's almost funny, but you know, there should be a meditation out there. I don't know, maybe I'll create it, called the fireworks meditation, where you sort of act out safely, you know, in a safe environment, the fireworks that's going on in your mind. It's like blah, you know, or do an interpretive dance for it, like blah blah, this is blah, this is what's going on in my mind, blah blah, you know. So fireworks. So that's lesson one. Lesson number one. Whoa. So lesson number two is that when you awaken, there's no it's not fireworks. Okay? It's not fireworks, because source, stillness, emptiness, silence, right? It's not like what you just heard, right? If it was, then all the great sages and all these people would be saying, oh, when you awaken, you are going to have the greatest fireworks display, and it's going to be loud and noisy, and it's going to grab your attention. It's just going to, and you are totally going to know it, right? It's going to be so obvious to you. That's why I think a lot of people miss it. And I think a lot of people have had awakenings, or experienced it, but they, it's so, it's silent. It's not fireworks. It's the opposite of fireworks. Okay? So we got some people hanging out, playing some music. All right, the music. So lesson number two is don't be expecting a fireworks display when you have a satori. It's actually the opposite. And I think there might be some people out there who can hopefully it'll resonate with them, or maybe they had an awakening and they realized it too, or this could be helpful for you in the future, because you might have a silent retreat, or you know, something happens in your life where, you know, it could be very painful, and you're on your knees, and this has happened to me too. After my awakening, I mean, I actually went through some pretty bad phases, and you know, the silence was there. Okay, there's no fireworks. And in fact, when I had my awakening, when I was jogging, there was no fireworks. I mean, there was an aha moment. There was like, oh wow, something has happened. Oh, but it was just stillness. It was silence. It was peace. It was eternity. Right? It wasn't that. It wasn't that. And maybe some authors, or maybe some people decide to, or people who haven't awakened, who authors or writers who, you know, have this idyllic or thing about what awakening is, and so they write these stories that, you know, lightning's gonna strike you, or you're in it, you know, there's this big thunder, and you know, like Noah, you know, God's, you know, thunder, Noah, build an ark, right? And although you can be inspired, it's the opposite of fireworks. It's simple. It's simple. And it's peaceful. It's not that. It's not that. Okay? It's not that. So don't get discouraged. If you've been looking, if you've been expecting awakening going to be like that, don't be discouraged. Okay. And then, and after you awaken, you could enjoy the fireworks. So yeah, you know, I'm kind of just enjoying, you know, I'm out here. Yeah, you know, they're here, right? It's a nice aspect of our humanness, but it's also a way for the ego to keep us asleep, to keep us in the dream. So, in close, whoa, there we go. I don't know if you could see that. In closing, freedom, true independence. So Independence Day, right? Independence Day. You want to be free. You want to be free from all this nonsense, all this noise, all the fireworks of life, of right now, social media, entertainment, politics. You know, this person said that person said this. I got to do this. And I'm not saying you shouldn't be doing things, but I'm just saying if you're caught in the fireworks of egoic consciousness, if you're caught there, surrender, accept that that's where you're at, and let go and die to the self that is enthralled by all these fireworks. Okay, and just let it be, and just let it be, and let go. Ooh, this might be a whoa. I should. I'm like they're lighting it and running away. I'm like, yeah. Maybe this is a YouTuber gets third degree burns by filming a spiritual YouTube episode. All right, so see, that's it. And so become aware of the fireworks that are distracting you, that are going on in your life, right? And that are going on inside here, okay? And here too, the pain bodies and whatever, you know, energies that that get you. Whoa, there we go. So Just become aware of it. And it's okay. Wow, I could hear a lot in the distance. I could hear a lot of things going on. There we are. So, independence, true independence is waking up out of the dream, and you honor the fireworks, you honor the things that happen in the world of form, okay? But you're no longer you're no longer lost in them, okay? You're no longer lost in all of these fireworks, all right? Because, and then, so that was lesson number one. Lesson number two is that your truth is silence. Your truth is emptiness. Your truth is awareness. Your truth allows all of these fireworks to happen. Maybe you could see some of that, okay? Your truth allows that to happen, but that when you awaken, when you have the Satori, it's so simple. It's the silence, it's the emptiness, it's the stillness, okay? So, if you're looking for fireworks as a indicator that you've awakened, that is incorrect, okay? So that's lesson number two. It's the stillness, the silence, the emptiness, the unconditional love, all right? All right, so Independence Day is here for you in this now moment, in this eternal now moment. So surrender to it and have radical acceptance of the now. No matter what's going on, no matter if all these fireworks are happening. I tried to get a last shot, but radical acceptance of whatever's going on in your life. And okay, there we go. All right, so love you, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and until we meet again next time in the still, silent, but nevertheless, we're in the world of form, in the beautiful fireworks, and in the world of form, in the beautiful fireworks and silence, stillness, emptiness of this eternal now moment.